I'm gonna make it so close to you guys. This is lip crayon, something like that. That's the color. So it's like very dark purple. Okay, can you see me? See, gently. That's it. Done. I don't put a lot. I just want to give you the traction that the brow soap was supposed to give you. That's what I get from this one. The Juvia's Place eyebrow pen. Juvia's Place eyebrow pen. I shake it. I always shake it. See the tip. This is how the tip looks like. This is the miracle right now. So very quick. You see it? That's it from here. Just gently paint it. It has a little bit of tiny brushes. It has tiny brushes in the front. So, but if you want it to last the whole day, the eyelashes. This is the glue that you use to put the eyelashes. That's what I use on top of it. Clear. This is clear. Clear. Then take it down. Especially places where there's no hair, even the one that has hair, it helps the hair to stay in the right place. The hair moving, the color is not moving anywhere. Wash glue, it will dry out and you will not notice it. It dries out. It's so cold out here, guys. I'm doing this for my people. It dries out colorless. So don't worry about it. If there's any place that was a mistake, use it and clean up. My nose, I put it on. This didn't take me 2 minutes. We're good to go. So now, I done. I have my brushes, the powder on them. Just a retouche and rejuge. Always travel with it. Always. Yeah, perfect. You still use this mauve and dark purple to give that range of colors. The outer view. Just tap. Just use it. I'm going to use this dark brown one there instead. So you can't find a black one. Using this dark brown one, unfortunately. Can't find a black one to just show you the sharpness. It's okay. This works too. Subscribe, share this video, and like if you like it. So make a comment right here. Make a comment right here. This very video. Make a comment, and this great content is happening. See you guys soon. Feeling down, choose this bag. Thank you. It's happening. I like it. I really do. Hours are still on flicker.